Good morning, beautiful people of the world. I am now in one of Clark County, Las Vegas' biggest park. This is called Wetland Park. So right now, I am in their building, which is really beautiful. This is a beautiful building, and I'm walking, and I'm trying to get a picture of the entire building. This is really nice. And down below there is some kind of, so that is the spring over there. Okay, this is the little spring. This is really a beautiful building. If I pan the camera, this is a beautiful building, but because of pandemic they are closed to the public. So we are just trying to look from the outside of the beauty of this building. So, okay, that's how beautiful the building is. The architectural style and design of this is beautiful. Okay, so let's start our walking right now. Okay, I have a friend. I have a friend and my husband are telling, and they're looking into the trail that we are going. Can you wave? Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Let's go.
Welcome to the Wetlands Park.
Okay, this is actually Clark County's biggest park. This is in Las Vegas. So if you see the building, the architectural design is really, really good. Okay. Okay, so we are now starting our trail, our trek towards this whole park. It's a wide, vast area. So right now, trees are not in bloom yet. You don't see any leaves in trees except for a few, because it still is part of the winter time here. So later on, we're going to see the beauty of this park. So we're on our way. Okay. I have to go and read again. Wetlands Park. This is the entrance to the bridge. Before the bridge, and it says here that you can view. This is a viewing area, and the hours is from dawn to dusk. So we're on to the bridge right now. Maybe we can get a nice view from here. Oh yeah. So this is it. Oh, below this is the miniature dam that feeds water to the river. So let's see. This is a nice view right here. So we are actually above the miniature dam that I showed you like a while ago. So this, on the other side right here, are ducks wading and swimming. Okay, right over here. Okay. So let's try. Okay guys, who would have thought that this part of this park is a river? Right now I'm by the river bank, and I think you can hear the water, the sound of water running, okay, by the river. So let me just get closer. Oops, I need to be careful. These are big rocks, and if I fell down, that would be brutal. So this is part of the river that runs through this wetland park. Isn't it exciting and amazing? a river that runs through a park. Okay, so look at this beauty right here. Okay, I would have liked to go down by the river bank, but I'm just too scared to get down below through these big rocks right here. Okay. Okay, so there's a bench. Actually, there's a bench right there that you can just sit down and look and listen to the sound of the river, which is actually refreshing and so nice. It's a nice feeling. There's a nice overlook right here, overlooked by the river. So if you want to spend some time, you can just sit down on these benches and lean on the railings and just watch the river go by. But right here, the river is quiet.
No, I think this is the one coming from
Oh, this is the one? Do you think the water here is clean or not?
These are the processed ones already, I think.
Okay. Because it looks like they're not clean.
They are the processed
There are like
ones
bubbles and bubbles.
going to Lake Mead, I think.
Yeah. The one where we left off was nice. Was a nice part of the river because you can really see the river running.
This must be like part of the tax basin.
Oh, that Hats Basin. Because according to the video that we saw this morning, Lake Mead is not far from here.
Yeah, so this must be the one.
Yeah, Lake Mead is not far from here. It's not far from here. I mean,
Gonna make like a
if you see, that looks like a dam that's feeding the water right here. I'm gonna zoom it in. Okay. So that is where the water comes from, feeding this river right here. Okay, so just a closer look. Sorry about the. Okay. Okay, so that's where that miniature dam. That's the water coming from that miniature dam that's feeding this river right here. Okay. So let's go down and see. Okay. Right here. It's the water. Oh, there are birds flying in there.
Magplanta and
Huh?
Magplanta.
Mm.
That the water will probably come there, but any from the basin.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, you're right. You're right. Let's go down. Okay. Let's see. Okay. This beautiful river down here. There's a tree. Okay, let's try this. Okay. That's actually how it looks like. Okay. I'm coming closer. There's a tree sa tabing ilog. Okay. It's the whole view right there. And there's the miniature dam over there with a bridge on top of it. And there are people on top of the bridge. So let's try to go and walk in that bridge over there. And hopefully we can find a nice view. A nice view of the river too. Look at this tree. I don't know what kind of tree is this. But you don't see, or you cannot see leaves on it. Most probably come springtime, there will be lots of leaves on this tree. Okay, if you see this bridge right here, this used to be a bridge where people can just walk and go into that part over there. But after the fire, okay, even this bridge burned down, so people are not allowed anymore to pass through this bridge or walk on this bridge because this burned down during the fire. See that one? It would have been nice to go to the other side of the trail using this bridge, but because it burned down too during the fire, so we cannot go to the other side. So let's try to get into a closer look of the burned bridge right here. Okay. So this is part of the bridge that burned down during the fire here in Wetlands Park. See this one? See? It's so sad. But fires here or bushfires is uncontrollable. Even a small spark can cause a fire burning a big area like this. So supposed to be, that's why during these times, during summertime, it really is a responsibility of every person coming here not to do smoking or whatever. Hello guys, that is Las Vegas. See how near this park is, and that's the strip. That's part of the strip of Las Vegas. Okay, who would ever have thought that there's a nice park and a big park with a river right here? Okay. There's another short bridge right here, and I am about to cross this bridge. This bridge looks like it's made of woods, but I think these are already like tiles. So this is not exactly a shorter than the other one that we've been through a while ago. So this is also nice. Okay, my husband is singing the song Boardwalk, under the boardwalk, because this looks like a boardwalk. Beside this bridge is a pond of water, and let's see if we can find turtles right here. Okay, this is really a nice bridge. Okay, let's see what's in here. Are there fish?
Yes.
Fish in here? Oh, there's a fish. Look. There's a one moving. Wait first. I'm gonna make a closer look of this bridge right here. Where is it? It's right here. I cannot find it. Where is that fish? Looks like, I don't know, for us Filipinos, that looks like a janitor fish. Janitor fish? I don't know if it's a janitor fish. Oh, there's another one right here. Let's see. There's another one coming out. Okay, right here. Yeah, I know. There's one right here. I'm just zooming it so I can show to you. Oh, wow. I don't know what kind of fish is this. Looks like a janitor fish? Oh, I don't think so. Looks like a catfish? I really don't know. So this is a pond where fish thrive. Okay, let's go to a bigger. Okay, let's go right here. It's so nice. They're putting this beside a pond so everybody can just like see. Where are the fish? Come on. Ah, this one right here. Oh, they're small. The one that yeah, this one. Just zoom it. See this one?
1, 2, 3,
There's
4,
one.
5.
There's one right here. That's another one right there. That's a fish. What kind of fish is this, love? Is this a janitor fish or a catfish? It's a janitor fish or it's a catfish? That's janitor fish, huh? Okay. Let's see. We're going to another spot where there's a lot of fish. Oh, there's a turtle over there? Oh, okay. Wait. I'm excited. Yeah, I will zoom it. Where?
Zoom it. There.
Over
At the
there?
end. Yeah. How would it
Is
look
it
like a ship?
swimming?
No. It's on top of the
rock?
stone. Yeah. the
Oh,
rock.
okay. I can see it.
In the place, eh?
Where is it, G? Where is it, G?
Yeah, that one, that is it.
Okay.
There.
Oh! Hi, turtle. Can you come closer?
I think that they must be,
Yeah, I'm
they
zooming.
must be full. They're not moving.
It's already like zoomed to like 100.
There. That one.
The one over there?
And there's your beautiful fish.
Where? Oh yeah, this one is. Where are you? Wait. Yeah, it is a goldfish, but I cannot see. Oh no! Here. Yeah. There it
Is that goldfish?
is. Yeah, that's guani koi. In our country, it's called koi. These are just ornamental fish. Yeah, you cannot eat this. These are ornamental. I'm zooming it so you can see. Hi, fish. Okay, towards the camera, please. And there's a friend duck right here. There's a friend duck.
Drop your thing.
I know. That's why. Where are you going? Duck. Oh, there's a lot of fish. There's actually a lot of big fish here. No more? No more big fish? Let's see right here. Ah, so fish. A lot of big fish.
Here's your bees.
Huh?
Some bees.
Where?
I think that's what kind of bee is that?
Where?
There.
Oh,
Come this way,
yeah.
come this way.
Yeah. Let's see. That's another.
What bee is that?
It's not a bee. Is that a bee?
Yeah, that is.
Okay, where are you now, bee?
You know the.
Here.
It's a different. It's not the regular bee.
Yeah. It's a nice colored gold. Yeah. Hi, bee. Okay.
Food.
Where?
Look.
Big
Look at the,
big one?
no, you can only see the mouth. Look over there. I think it is looking for
A fish? For food?
the insects. Yeah.
Okay. Insects. And this is the end of the bridge. And it's something interesting because we've seen a lot of thrivers and dwellers of the pan that we just came from. Okay mga guys, maglalakad na naman tayo ng Mga ilang kilometro. Kilometro.